Today on Pulse TV we're going to be talking about stretches during pregnancy. Now, I'm 27 weeks pregnant and I found especially in the last couple of weeks that my back's really started to tighten up. So I'm just going to give you 3 quick stretches that you can do at home, you can do them at work. Try and do them once a day just to loosen up your spine and keep everything nice and mobile. Okay, so first stretch, we're going to take our right hand underneath our left. Now you're just going to bring your hands together. Depending on your flexibility, your palms might be touching. If not, you can just grab hold of the top of the thumb like that. On this stretch, you're just going to lift the fingertips up to the ceiling and you'll feel the top section of your back between those shoulder blades just opening on this stretch. Now it doesn't look like anything too crazy, but you will feel it when you're doing it. Okay, we're going to hold it for about 20 seconds. You're going to release. And then we're going to do other arms. So it'll now be left underneath your right. Just grab hold of that thumb or flat palms if you're flexible enough. And then reach those fingertips up and you'll feel those shoulder blades nicely opening. 20 seconds hold and release. Okay, next stretch. Coming down onto hands and knees. This is a cat stretch. So if you've done yoga before, you'll probably be familiar with it. Just make sure you've got yourself in a nice 4-point base. So you want your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees directly underneath your hips. We start by looking forwards and just let your lower back dip down, okay? So your belly just hangs to the floor. Inhale your breath. And as you exhale, you're going to round off the back. You want to suck the belly in, look up towards your chest, and you'll just feel those vertebrae opening nicely. Hold for about 10 seconds. Come down. Inhale again. We go again. Round it off. Draw that belly button up. Look towards your chest. Come down. We'll go one more time. So we'll do 3 of these. And round it off. Perfect. Final stretch, just going to get a little bit of movement through our pelvis. So we want to be laid down on the back. Transitions are a little bit slower these days. Palms to ceiling. Give your hips a little bit of a wiggle so you get nice and comfortable. Your upper body wants to be relaxed. Knees are bent, but make sure your feet are flat on the floor. From here, you're literally just going to tilt your pelvis up. So you push the small of the back down into the floor, hold that for 10 seconds, release it. As you release, I just want you to push through neutral, so you're just arching your lower back off the floor slightly, and we go again, round it. So you tuck that pelvis under. Again, it's a small range of motion, it's a small stretch, but it is going to help just to keep those vertebrae nice and mobile and loose. One more time, we curl up. And there are your 3 stretches for keeping your spine nice and mobile during pregnancy.